Hey guys, so in today's video we will unlock how to connect ChatGPT to Canva. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, you need to be logged in into your Canva and your ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT and in here on the left bottom side you will see your name. Click on that and go to the settings. Now here under the settings we click here onto the apps and to explore apps, and it will open up right over here. As you can see, we have a bunch of them, so we will choose Canva. Click on it and you can read it about a little more here, but as you can see on the right side, you can click connect. So continue like that, allow, and now we are successfully connected the ChatGPT and the Canva. Now, if we go here to the new chat, we can type create me a logo about snow today. And it will take a while, but eventually it will make it. Okay, so my mistake here, we need to type in here Canva like that we can choose it now, and now we can press send and it will start creating our logo. As you can see, Canva here, and now is doing, and as you can see now we have gotten our logos here, which they are looking pretty great. So yeah, this is how we connect ChatGPT and Canva. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.